Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Melody. Good afternoon. Who's your sister me? About sa parliament focus. We can audio be mentation, but no problem. They be an nipa no doso. Intina ama bia bundu so be bama me, but matrase ya na la se bibi ehunye me bia ekoso. Melody wunim. Krom han me say no. We a police ni a. Police di bia a police officer. Don't mind the rank. Because a police officer and say because so police officer ben na fe bia the rank na so bia we rank but we a police na a police officer. Enu ano no. Na no chese bia we IGP na we superintendent na do. We a constable no pass out nkwa we a police officer. That's what I know. At the point I may yes analysis no. Mpe say we man who say me no na me a police officer. Me fa me rank but na me a police officer. Okay, number 2. Yeah, police no ye kire ye nyema bebre. Nyema bebre. Wo bi also kodi police. Even for 10 years, no one to me share the papa be a police moi. Ni pakro kodi police. Enu na I guardi ye mu bia yetimu ede nante be bia e be ko bia because ye shia ye. Maame na mo se oya adwasafo a obi se wonya adwasafo no. Me ka sem bi nkyere mo. Adwasafo no obi anim de wi a wotie oba parliament ya de wo di agro woni nkrofo ye. Okay. So yare kwa no ko bebi no kwasam ya na waba na that time no only that moon na. Obata ho quiet. Na wo so amkotre okora ase ohun bebi a wontena. Okay, let's put that one aside. Iti akire ya owie de oba ye wie ya osoro ya okoye no. The next day na adwasafo na ankasa ria ne baaye no because back no mo na SSO impose I'm not there so I can't tell but we dey obi am say adwasafo ne mo action start wo ho no mo the way okasa no ye gidi kamene no a kame ba the second time okra no mesa betra ho bre ko na ma me chese no obi am so ye ono a ono na oba ne dada na chese still be there's something wrong. Now the way they done action na all ye wo hold no that shows that anya ono no bad that day don one na be trading no because first day we buy here and the 24 hours so and it no bad the following day na gidi now we say me buy me say and no kire say na anya wo no any action na kire. Se me na me ye wono aka me ba the second time no ka me kasa me say the first one ba ko no ye anam na me ba first me yes me ye the same thing ma betra odi ma bibi adi obi kasa mo kra me feeling pa ko no ma ye say eno no obi akaso ye wono ba ye no ne bia no still an ho mfa na bia parliament adwuma nti na ma na for so aba ba wa ba ya the following day wo ba ya gidi wo na wa expose bibi amankofo eka enye obi na expose nti se na mpese wo manipa hu na nipa ni na ho no mo nhwe se wo yare na se chochina ho towo a wontim nye active se de na wo ye dada no at least it will be a little different but not so that nti Melody de me se me wa me ka fa ho no nti ye ma ye ni na ho se wiase de kwa wie yo na tabia me de me ka me se Onyankopon owo mire ema wo bia. You can cheat everybody in this world but you can't cheat God. You can never cheat God. The right time bon se fene woni magu ase. Okay, bye bye. Nyame nka mo.
Etiefo. We say Ghana for nkofu bebre wo mo anko psychology school. Nanso experience nti wo mutumi study nyama bi unim se sa adwo asafo case we no one of the things aname so ebo madwumu ntanta eye de maame no waboso no but then there is an explanation unim se me de meka ha na maka ha I'll give that explanation nti me de ni na betu dwa de obese ofa no na wafa now embra ade ni see ye meka sa asem we see ye the next day Adwo Asafo buy. Now what I said and they say, you see, Eyemia, now come about in a particular way, right? A first time. Now me buy in that particular way first time. No Ghana for air can say oh, me me the hairstyle ni bibiao aba. Na me buy no man kasa manye gidi bia me betena hokom e na Ghana for air can say oh enye me the next day me ba onim de me ba that same way aye hu ya ye kasa enye me no me ba that same way na me ba na still wo mo kasa enye me na afa me yi menim na nkrofo hu say oh and ye say ye one and ndra wo ba ye no but I don't know. Say Adwo Asafo didn't see it that way. In fact, the next day I will buy it was a different hairstyle and a different hairdo. At least in Madia yenim and like I will be back so wash it the same way, but this one is for a purpose. At least Oba and the Oko baby now was share wig. No china was share that same wig and draw was share, especially if you want to prove a point. There's nothing wrong. Intinake me cry. Say T style na ka the next day means because bo Ghana for adwemu ntanta Ghana for mo adwemu nkrofo bebre na bisa say ye wo ana say nye wo, so why will you even encourage it? And the next day when she came wo baby of cry of fire wo baaye and a wo hu say ne obetena ase a wo kasaye na chese unhu say ne wo kasa na nkrofo bebre ka say we there say and you see the thing it is two. Either say ne or no, and I say ne or no. There's no in between. It is either it was indeed Adwo Asafo or it wasn't Adwo Asafo. Now, one kasanso it was a wobwa na nkrofo hu say enye wo, because if clearly u believe and na wo nimpa say enye wo sebe eyewo and na wo ba then you also have to help matters. Na Ghana for just a bit clear from your trimu. Look at the first day. I say now, won't send your year, and the second day, send you now walk kasa or background one nose mask. The second day, at least, nanka one for nose marks and bra. Now, Krofun is okay, and bra, the who now was share nose mask, and there we share nose mask no, the same face. Now, once at the second time, everything changed. The second day, now we're buying no. It wasn't as the first day. No, yeah, but it is a first day, no. Now, we no, yeah, the Adwo Asafo we know. All by the crutch say, Senya, not Radi Yesu Christo. Hey, it is a mammy way I can say Adwo Asafo Nanka Sanso, one and one. In a way, I will accept it. But just like I said, it is two ways. Either say a yo no, and I say no. Now, Obiba Castle, okay. In the other scenario, I said there could be an explanation, no? And this is the explanation. I'm trying to, be in her shoes and then explain. In Krofubi Waha, Osha Abra, especially, and this Sadia way, it is with Esikafor. Adia way I may be with Esikafor. Esikafor per se in Krofobe Huomo in the same outlook twice, especially within the space of just 24 hours. Into who notice pa sikeni bi pa no ende so share atari bia ochina obesesa no sikeni bi eni wa ende wo be sha atari na wochina na atari no eno na wa she nkrofo be kra be ka se na sikeni na wo ye ohun se Ghana for ya no. It is very normal, especially for Adwo Asafo. Say the first day was share wake up no, and I wake no. The first day na wake no share ya. The second time no say was also because Ghana for betumi aka na MP wo she bra o papa bo she wunia she sika mo na wo wake. They be as share wake for na one week wash no two times continuously. Aden Ghana for krabe kasa. Because they be as I dey no cross share wake ni fifra team e was say what the two no pay for share. Any kwan say be I was share the same atare. Because Ghana for Bekamba, you see, Mimi Susu say, in this particular occasion, Nanka Ghana for Betia say, and in this particular occasion, no, Nanko Nwanka Sano, I was say, well, ye no buane ho. in this occasion. Nanka was say woye no aboa ne ho. Because that was nanka yes adie na nanka asem we by this time ewu me kametrel. Oh yes, adie we are making anka ewu. Imagine say atare na was share the previous day no. Udi okodu fie because okodu fie no better say nkrofo eka. Udi atare na bofin kra na laundry. Obviously, adwo asafo obi to say adwo asafo de nya unsa na odi be si nyama wo washing machine na bibi. I mean, you have the means. How they share dryer mu na dryer na bibi. Atare no so say nya atare de share washing machine mu kra na. Wo like adwo asafo a ana adwo asafo. Adwo asafo ho. Adwo asafo. Ontumi nka ne so nyo obi obesi atare na ma na nipako na ya na tresa awo na the next day wa share. Obenya na nka wa share hairstyle na wo ye na nka wa ye. Senya wakata nenim na nka wa ya ba betina ho ma Ghana fo asan so aka se ba me na ba biom na nka ho na we yi nenim na obi ehun se se ye wo a na ka no by this time asem no ewu nka no by this time asem no ewu. But the personality we saw the first day and the next day totally different. If you get people still saying, even though ebiana enya sa na ti o, but you get people still saying say we cry my you say enya, you can't blame them. You didn't help yourself. Jamen so me kanono. Won't try your comment box ni mo me da se.